project na ng mga research kasi ganun din ang gagamitin mo. Oh, halimbawa ito, 3 food.
Tomorrow, bibidyoan kita. Bibidyoan nga kasi.
Ito, project ko pa ito. I-record nyo sila ng ating kasi gamit ako sa food. Okay.
Hi, let's see our gifts today. International
Cooking show.
cooking show.
So how do you say that tomorrow will not collide with hotel tour? Oh my God, it's Tagalog. It's postponed our hotel tour.
Sad, but, because I was shocked. Yeah, you're right.
Pero nakotel tomorrow.
But so happy because I'm already cooking our special dish today. Mugot. Listen to oh my God. Why the potatoes is here?
Sabi ni sir.
Okay. After you cut it, the garlic, onions, the tomatoes, just try to separate it.
Sir, paano ito mga adobo ko?
Ang tawag, babo, ang palaya ko, yung pang ang palayang guba.
Di ba kung pwede sa'yo? Balik ko,
Hindi naman nila ko yan, ang palayang guba, hindi ko alam. Pero nga ako ng tawag.
Sir, pan yung
wala the cooking show that, where the Philippines are so, watching. Hey, this is a Sheena. You can say hi to, our audience in
Sandwich ka?
Sir, Sir Kramdang, our teacher in cooking.
Uy, oh my God.
Then, if you finish to cut our onion, garlic, and the tomatoes, just try to cut it in the center, and then
Wala si. Sir, nakapit daw dyan. Pwede daw yun. Wala na, bro. Wala na.